I just replaced the door on my workshop, and while I was working on it, I posted a picture of it on Instagram, and I got a comment asking me about security on a door that swings out like this. In particular, being able to open the door from the outside with just a knife. Exterior door locks like this are made to stop that from happening. They have this pin that's right beside the latch that, when it's pressed in, will stop the latch from retracting. I could probably demonstrate this a little bit better with these two that I have here. When the door is closed, that pin will be up against the strike plate, as long as everything is lined up correctly, that is. If that pin goes inside the strike plate hole, it will defeat the operation. The other one that I have here is an example of a passage lock, like you'd find on a bedroom or a closet inside your house, and these don't have or need one of those security pins. The lock that I have on my shop is a cylindrical lock set, but mortise lock sets have the same thing, except the pin is usually right below the latch. When that pin is lined up and working properly, you won't be able to pry open the latch with just a knife. But of course, that doesn't stop somebody that wants to break in from trying, but there is a piece of hardware that you can install that will guard against that. Latch guards like this bolt through the door, and some of them have pins that will go into the frame itself and make it very difficult to pry that apart. Another thing about outswinging doors like this is the widespread belief that you can pull the pins out of the hinges and then open the door that way. And while you can get hinges that are very difficult to take the pin out of from the outside, if your door fits correctly in the opening, even with the pins taken out fully, it will be very difficult to remove the door without bending the hinges as well. The barrel of the hinge will get in the way.